Hi, welcome back to my channel, everyone. So right here, as you see, we got a blue background. And then we got, you might notice what this plant is called. As I said in the last two videos, this is called the pitcher plant. And it's slightly smaller, like other pitchers. This is a small pitcher. So over here we got some. So if you see a stick like this, that's part of the picture. So over here, I just put some decorations. They're carnivorous. Carnivorous means like they eat flies and other insects. Yeah. Depending how big how big yours is. By the way, you'll find them in the rainforest, but not this small. I started buying them over here by 2024 when I was 5. And then I had some stuff ideas I cut it from outside, but I think you should just put some plastic right here, just in case I want. Yeah, these pictures need lots and lots of water. So at the end of this video, make sure to subscribe. But over here, you already know. We got some dirt. They live in dirt also. So they eat bugs instead of having the nutrients from the soil. They're carnivorous, as I said. They eat bugs and insects. But the cool thing is that these pictures actually have these cool type of abilities. So that's another leaf. And then as you see over here, the end of the leaf right here, a tip starts to come out like this. So that's the beginning of a totally new picture. Like that, but over here it's very small, so it's very big. So let's zoom back. So as you see, the picture is right there. It's very small, yeah. So by the way, this is my background, yeah. So by the way, we have the leaf, but through the leaf comes a new leaf, and then it just starts to sprout crazy. So they start growing back like this. As I said, they're carnivorous. They're still pitcher plants, as you see. This is a much larger species than what you saw. I was in there, but comparing over here, they're like that picture. So basically, I've been keeping care of it. As you see, most of them died, but it's still okay. It just takes place. They can catch invasive beetles, like in here. They dry up. Much likely, the way that it lures bugs in is that in the rim of the pitcher, it produces a sweet nectar, and then they fall into a hole, and then they get digested like these. Some bees and flies. We have bees and flies in there. Wow, that's great. So that was a cool trick. So as you know, the pitchers have sweet nectar that uses to attract the flies, and then they fall into a pit. But if they don't, they reach to this top right here with invisible tiny hairs, like Venus flytraps. They have trigger hairs. So if they're dead, you can cut them off like that, or just leave it like a baby. Yeah, that can die also. I had some that already died, so I just cut off the leaf. Some leaves also may die, like normal ones. But the cool thing is that you see how most people draw leaves. they have that too, like that. But it doesn't end there. Right here, it keeps going and then down to a pitcher right here. So they might die because you didn't add more water or so. So yeah, you know what to do. Like this video and subscribe and peace.